It's the 15th of November, and my upload this morning for the attention of the United Nations is with regard to the matters that have still been unresolved and that have not been addressed in Tralee, County Kerry since 2016 and 2017. I'm still awaiting the Honourable Government to present the facts regarding the unlawful care order of my son, who is an illegally missing person. My child has been gone from my care illegally since 2017 and has been subjected to trauma, and it has not been addressed. There is also the issue of illegal actions that have occurred against my royal patronage and my royal title and my position, role and function in society. I'm of World Reform as of 2018. I am of humanitarian protection. I have a very clean track record, and there are individuals in a community where I have initiated World Reform that are intruding upon me and that are hazards to life. Now, as a humanitarian and as a married mother whose home in Tubbard Hill, County Kerry, is being trespassed upon, and as I'm experiencing denigration, defamation, debasement and a host of other serious human rights abuses, I'm still awaiting for the Honourable Government to fulfil its obligations to my royal patronage. I'm still awaiting for the relevant bodies to present the facts regarding the illegal actions and illegal care orders of my child unlawfully from my care. The issue of individuals that have been of slander of my good name, character and reputation have negated my humanitarian work that initiated World Reform in 2018. They have disrespected my role as a recovery advocate for the betterment of women and children's rights. They have also imposed upon me, and they have basically been liabilities in my hometown community in Tralee, County Kerry. So the issue of protocol, procedures and protection and proximity are huge issues of concern that I have to contend with on a daily basis while experiencing human rights abuses. As a married mother that has been slandered, that has a very clean track record, there are liabilities in this community that are monopolising the circumstance of exacerbation based on complete falsehoods and untruths. So I have this update for the interest of the United Nations to consider very seriously with regard to my role, position and function in Tralee, County Kerry, Ireland, that has affected positive progress at home and abroad, and that liabilities in this community have disrespected and denigrated. They have imposed upon my child, they have imposed upon my farms, they have imposed upon my fortunes and my wealth and my creative and intellectual property. They have violated proximity, and they have disrespected my good name. I can't emphasize the point of having a very clean track record enough in this upload, simply due to the individuals that are of slander and are of falsehoods and illegal behaviours that I have also had to contend with. So as a recovery advocate that has been initiating positive progress since 2006, as an educator since 2003, I'd appreciate the Honourable Government fulfilling its obligations to my entitlements that I'm naturally and automatically to receive and to have acknowledged. I'd also appreciate the government locating my son and placing him in my care, and I'd also appreciate the authorities acknowledging the transformations that have arisen from my humanitarian work in 2018 also. And I'd also appreciate the authorities acknowledging the obligations that are to be met with regard to my royal patronage and my function, role and position in society that has been disrespected due to culprits of offences against the state and due to culprits of treason against my royal patronage. So this is an urgent upload with regard to the matter of my child being a missing person and individuals in my community that have been of property theft, financial theft, repeat incidents of financial fraud, incidents of defamation of character, and incidents of creative and intellectual theft and the exploitation of my work. So this upload is basically with regard to the human rights abuses I'm experiencing and my son that is a missing person since 2017.